Kaseng balakot Hbdrf Border Dispute Redressal Forum. Negasngi kalapa ay kasithi sa office jong Menteri Rangba ka jela, but usimbut Menteri Rangba ban Pyrshah ka Jingpyntip jong ka Sorkar Assam, ya ka bladap ja haus nem kat kandai spa san puway, kabakan top ikijaka jong ka Block 1 but Block 2 ka bahap hapok ka North ka Char District Council. Kidukot jong kaseng ubak Thomas pasa ula ongru bagi kuat baka Sorkar jela kan itu ikini kijaka kum ka Block 1 but Block 2 sektor kum ka belajar ka time Pyrshah but kanduli sektor.
And this letter we have informed the government regarding the decision that was taken in the meeting held at Joy on the 14/10/2023, wherein all the NGOs from Jingpyntip Hills were present in the meeting. The number one resolution is that we have again reiterated that we totally oppose the notification dated 13 April 1951 issued by the government of Assam back then, because this notification has been issued and included the Block 1, Block 2 area to the North Kachar Hills District Council at that time without proper verification of the residents of the villages